Last search na lang. So, pwede na natin patayin ng bow staff. Hindi ko siya makita. Where is she? Yun! Cut! Kunti na lang. Ayun na. Shield! Kill it!
Eh,
One hit!
umuwi! No!
Yo!
You kill
Ah!
it!
Let's go! Queenie!
Ang
Queenie!
dami nating kwan.
Yes! Give me the XP, please! I don't have XP. No, stop stealing my XP!
Dami nating kwan.
Okay.
Dragon
Egg!
breath.
Egg!
Egg?
May torch ka,
Paano
diba?
egg? May torch ako? Oo.
Yeah, okay.
Paano?
I'll punch it.
Paano?
Get it.
Saan?
Here. Wait lang. Dig down ko lang. Wait lang. Dito. Lagay mo yung torch dyan. Yo!
Wow. Gimme!
Char.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Medyo anticlimactic siya. Medyo anticlimactic yung dragon fight.
Nalagay ko na sa ender chest.
Yes. That's our prize.
We have 5 dragon's breath. Oh, ano tong chest? Para saan tong chest?
Wala naman namatay. So,
Ano? Punta na sa end?
okay.
City?
Next is
End city?